January 11th, 2021 Fluency. Number 1. What is the sum of 67 and 1200ths, 78, and 4 and 987 10,000ths? Alright, so we're going to see it says sum, so that means we're going to add here. Remember, when we're adding or subtracting decimals, what do we need to do? Line them up. So let's line them up. 67 and 1200ths, 78 and 000ths, and 4 and 0987. We can put in placeholder zeros here as well if you'd like to, and we're going to add them up. All right, so let's add 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7, 0, 0, 8 is 8, 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. All right, 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 4 is going to be 19. And 6 plus 1 is 7, plus another 7 is going to be 14. All right, so our answer is 149 and 2,187 10,000ths. So there's our answer for that one. All right, let's take a look at let's change our, no, we just did that. Number 2, find the product. Product, so that means multiply of 6 and 7900ths times, and 45. So remember, we don't need to line up when we're multiplying. We're going to push it all to the right. So we're going to multiply, and we're going to forget that decimal until the very end. Let's see, 9 times 5 is going to be 45. Carry that 4, drop that 5. 5 times 7 is going to be 35, plus 4 is 39. 5 times 6 is going to be 30, plus 3 is 33. Now we're done with that. We're done with these remainders. Let me erase that as well. We are done with that. We're done with these remainders. We're done with that 5, so we're going to put a placeholder of 0. Now we have 4 times 9, which is going to be 36. Drop that 6, carry that 3. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 3, 29, 30, 31. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3, 25, 26, 27. All right, now we are going to, well, first of all, I'm going to move this up. There we go. Now we're going to add them. We're going to add them up. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 6 is going to be 15. Drop that 5, carry that 1. 3, 4, 5. Whoa. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. So now we are going to factor back in that decimal. So how many spaces? 1, 2 swoops. So we're going to swoop in 1 and 2. So our decimal goes between that 5 and that 5. So our answer is going to be 305 and 55 hundredths. So that's our answer there. Let's take a look at our number 3. What's the quotient? Quotient, remember, that means division. So we are going to divide. So on the inside of our house, we are going to have 8,534, and we are going to divide it by, well, I'll keep that, divided by 17. All right, now, how many times can 17 go into 8? Well, it can't go into 8. How many times can 17 go into 85? Well, let's take a look. 17, let's try 5. 7 times 5 is going to be 35. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Oh my gosh, look at that. So times 17 times 5 is 85. So let's put 5 up here. I'm going to erase this down here. That was just our trial. 17 times 5 is 85. That was pretty cool. We'll subtract. We get 0. We're not done. We need to bring down that 3. And then we have 17. Can 17 go into 3? No. So we have to put a 0 here. Now we can say, okay, 17 times 0 is 0. We subtract. We get 3. Bring down that 4. Now, how many times can 17 go into 34? Well, let's see. I think maybe 2. It's not too much. So 7 times 2 is 14. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, 34. Yeah! So it can go in 2 times, and you get 34. You subtract, you get 0. There's no remainders and nothing left to bring down. And we are going to take a look at, well, we're going to look at the top up here for our quotient, and that is going to be, I'll just highlight the top up here. So that's going to be 502. So our answer is 502. And that is going to be it. Woohoo! Great job!